Hi and welcome back to Digital Toolcase. Today talking about again journalist AI. I made a complete review some days ago. You can find the link in the description. I made some other quick videos where I show you how you can generate some kind of articles with journalist AI, even on autopilot, because with journalist AI you can also do auto-blogging and auto-publishing on social medias. But in this video I want to show you this other type of article you can generate with journalist AI. It's AI news article. Again, you can choose SEO article, YouTube video to blog post. I want to also show you a new update here, because now you can add more than one YouTube video URLs and generate these articles in bulk if you want. This is a feature they just added in the last few hours, because obviously they are updating this tool day by day. There is a what's new section here, there is a request feature here. If you want to have something specific, you can request a specific feature. So let's go again into this AI news article section. With this feature we can generate a news article. Maybe on your blog you have a news section, you want to keep your readers updated with the latest news about your topic, and you can do it with journalist AI automatically. I am recording this video on July 31st, and in these days in Paris we have Olympics 2024. So what I will do here, I will use this topic because it's fresh. It's a today topic, so I want to see the AI news article generated by journalist AI. As you can see, you have some tips here on how to ask for this kind of news articles. I think this can be a quite good topic, so let's try to use this one. I don't have too many fields here, just the language, English American, target country, United States. You can add the sources here if you want. If you don't want, don't worry, because journalist AI will use SERP data to generate this article. So this is really easy to use. I just need to click on this generate article, and as you can see, it's working. In the meantime, I want to show you my test site, because when I made my first review I published this article automatically, but as you can see now I have some more articles. These are all generated with journalist AI, and these are all published automatically with AUTOBLOG. So while I'm living my daily life, journalist AI is working for me and publishing these articles. I just want to show you the last one very quickly. This is an AI image generated by journalist AI. I have my article. I only added some banners here that I use on this site, but all the rest of the article is automatically generated. And okay, just to show you that it's working day by day automatically. Now let's go here and let's wait for this article to be finished. It's here. This is my featured image. I suppose it's generated by AI. It's talking about Alex E. triumphs in thrilling men's triathlon at Paris Olympics. Let's see if this is true. And as you can see, this is the official Olympics site, and this is a today news, 31st of July 2024. So this is true, but anyway, we have our news article here. Now I will scroll this article so you can read it by yourself if you want. We have obviously the introduction, the key takeaways, we have the race where we have some data about this specific race, the swim and the bike and the run, post-race reactions, the final standings, this is interesting, and a conclusion. This is a news article, so it's not too long. It contains all the correct information and what you need when you publish a news article. It doesn't need to be too long. And you also have sources here with the official site, with AP News, with CNN, and so on, with the meta description. If you want, here you can directly post this to your site, to your integration, or I just want to show you even these little things that I never showed you in my previous videos about Journalist AI. As you can see here, you can create a revision because you can edit this article before uploading it on your website. So here you can do whatever you want with this article. Let's check this image. Okay, this is for sure AI generated. So in an article like this, maybe you should use an official image with the real person, but anyway, you can do whatever you want. So let's say you want to make this bold, you can select it and make it bold. You have all your editing options, but you can also use AI. So let's say you want to edit this paragraph. You have some features like rewrite, simplify, make longer, make shorter. You can make a list from this or make a table. Let's try to use this make longer in this case. Okay, so now we have a longer paragraph. You can choose to use this one. Let's even separate it like this. I like it more. I want to try something different here in the Swim. Let's use these add links. You have add keywords if you want to add specific keywords here, or add links. When I click on add external links, AI will search for specific links I can add here. So let's say I want to link to this Alessio Crociani, it's the name of another athlete, so I can click here, and as you can see now I have this external link. This is really useful, and as you can see here, you can also put your cursor here and you will have a suggestion if you want to make this paragraph longer, approve, and so on. These are just some things you can do here in the AI editor. It's automatically saved, and once you are ready, you can publish this article on your blog post. So this is very useful because with AI you can insert again links, you can insert even internal links, you can insert keywords. Let's try even this one. I will select these, add keywords. Let's say I want to include Paris Olympics, and I think AI will be able to include my keyword here. I have a new paragraph, accept, and I have my keyword Paris Olympics here. You can even generate this kind of articles on autopilot with blog automation. If you want to see how this works, you need to watch for my complete review about Journalist AI. Let me show you the pricing plans for Journalist AI. You have different options because you can choose a subscription or you can choose the pay-as-you-go option. With the pay-as-you-go option, you don't have the autopilot, you don't have the autoblogging because you don't have integrations, but you have all these solo plan features. Now, you have 3 different plans depending on your needs. These are the yearly plans prices with a discount, and these are the monthly prices. You have 100 credits per month here. You use credits to generate articles, so each article is 1 credit, but if you want to add other AI images inside your articles, you will need some credits. So let's say you can generate up to 100 articles with this solo plan. 200 with the business plan, but you also have sub-account, auto-linking, you have knowledge bases, you have custom images and webhooks and so on. If you use my link, you can find it in the description, you will have 10% more credits each month just by using my link. So again, these are the prices for the monthly plans. these are the prices for the yearly plans. You have a very big discount if you choose a yearly plan, or the pay as you go option. Okay, so that's it even for this Journalist AI video. I showed you how to generate a news article in this video, but if you want, you can see my previous videos. I also showed you how to generate the YouTube video to blog post, the Amazon single product review, or the SEO article in my complete review. I hope this was helpful for you. If so, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you want, you can click here and watch for my previous videos about Journalist AI. Thank you very much, and as always, I'll see you soon in the next video.